Hi everybody, welcome to the Fun by Design channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an exciting product. It's pretty cool and it's useful for a multitude of things. So let's go and take a look at it. Okay, this product, I haven't opened it yet, but I have seen one before and I think they're amazing, which is why I ordered one. So let's open it up and show it in its true glory. I bet you're excited to see what it is, aren't you? It's like Christmas, isn't it? Rip open the box because I can't wait to get in it. And we've got a huge box and it's that big. Right, we've got another box to get into. I hope it doesn't turn out to be that big. A box inside a box. Still, I suppose it's good packaging. It's not going to get broken. Although, to be honest, I was expecting a little bit bigger box. So, it'll be interesting to see what is inside this box. Must have been very well packaged. That's what we want. What is it, you ask? What is it, you ask? It's a brush. In fact, it's multiple brushes. And another brush. And guess what's next? Yep, it's a brush. And last but not least, it's another brush. So we've got lots of brushes. Oh, and we have got an extension for the brushes, which is going to be really good, and I'll show you why. Okay, so let's get the extension out of the packet. And we bring in a cordless drill. Now what we can do with this is we can put the extendable piece into the cordless drill, and then we can attach whatever size brush we want to the cordless drill. So for example, we put that brush in and tighten it up. I presume we tighten it. No, it just locks in. Hey! How good's that? So you can scrub away at anything you want with different size brushes, and it saves a lot of elbow grease and a lot of hard work. Brilliant. Now what I want to use these for, and you just literally pull that down and pop that one out, and you can change it for a different brush. How good's that? Now what I want to use these for is for cleaning the bottom of dirty boots. So if you can imagine, bear with me 1 second. If you can imagine, I've got mud all over the bottom of my shoes or my boots or whatever. I can clean the bottoms. Brilliant! But it can be used for pretty much anything you want to. I mean, they're medium stiff bristles, so you know you obviously wouldn't use it on your car because you'll probably scratch it, but you could certainly use it probably on car wheels, and you could probably use it anywhere around the house really, but it saves you so much work. Just pop in a brush head, dunk it in your water or your soap suds or whatever you want to use for cleaning, and you're away. Hey! I don't think I'd recommend it to brush your hair with though. Brilliant. And I will leave a link in the description of all these brushes in this set, because as usual on the Fun by Design channel we try to find you the best deals for the best products, and this is going to be really useful. So check out that link in the description below. Yeah, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, so you got 4, 5 brushes all in one set, and of course the extension tool. But you don't have to even use the extension tool, so if you wanted to just pop the brush into the cordless drill, you can do that too. Hey, for some real close-in action. But don't forget, if you use these with water, soap or detergents, always wear eye goggles because you might splash in your eyes. So just be careful with that one. Yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the product. And if you did, check it out in that description below. Leave a comment below if you've got one of those and see how you get on using yours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye for now.